You won't believe this bag has 5 compartments, and you are just about to see that. So all you need to do is cut and prepare 6 compartment pieces, 11 inches by 8 inches each, just like this. You also need a long strap for handle, you need a zipper and a zipper head. So the compartments are ready. Then I'll neatly sew the edges of the 4 compartment pieces and sew the zipper into the remaining 2 pieces, just like this. Neatly sewn. Can you see that? So once my panels are ready, this for the zipper, 2 of it for the zipper. Once they are ready, actually neatly arranged, they are ready now. So I have to head and start the bag properly, start sewing the bag, making the bag properly. So of course I need this to hold my straps, my hand straps. Okay, that's that. So I want to head on to sew my straps. It's very long, depending on how you want your straps to be. It could be short, it could be long. This is actually adjustable because I intend to tie it at the side of the bags, so depending on what I want. And so the next thing I will do is to join the 4 panels without zippers by pairing and sewing 2 panels together each. So get 2 of the panels, sew them together. Usually you need to allow about 1 inch at both sides and the bottom or the base of the bag. Leave at least 1 inch. This is different from the seam allowance. Can you see how I'm sewing that? So once I'm done from here, I'll have to sew the next 2 panels and achieve something like this. So just keep watching. It's super easy to make. So my first panel is ready. I also have the second panel. Second panel is also here. First and second panel. So all I will need to now is to attach the first set of the paired panel to the second set. I'll have to align the edges carefully as seen, and this is the part I'll need to bring in those 2 leather fabric I cut out for my handle. This I'll have to place them. This is actually going to hold a long strap of my bag. So I don't intend to sew the strap to the bag, but I intend to fix it through what I just inserted here. So can you see that? So remember, your seam allowance is just very little for this part. You have to sew it maybe 0.2. It's fine. Yes. So my 2 panels have been sewn together. So I would want to bring the zipper parts. Now you have to sew the zipper panel to the assembled bag panels. What you do is align the edges carefully. Bring your zipper panels and then align it carefully, just as I am doing, and then sew them together like this. Can you see that? I hope you understand what I'm explaining. super easy, right? So once you've done that, you turn the bag. See, the bag is actually on one side has been fixed, one side of the panel that has the zipper has been fixed. So for the other side, just look at what I'm doing. Bring it, and this is the last, almost the last showing we're doing. I do hope you love what you were seeing. Kindly support this channel for more bag making tips and bag making tutorials. Like I said, our bag is almost done. In a few seconds you're gonna see the outcome of this bag and you will love it. If you're the type that loves to put a lot of things in your bag, this bag can carry it for you. You can carry your phones, you can carry some small juntas for you, you can carry a whole lot of things. There are 5 compartments in those. There are 5 compartments in the bag. Just one bag, 5 compartments. One part can be for your cash, your money. One part can be for your phone. One part can be for your candies, and depending on what you want to do with it. Can you see the bag is finally ready? It's finally ready. Just wow, our bag is ready. Can you see that? We just made a purse with 5 compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ta-da! Please, I actually want to apologize for the background noise. I tried my best, but the kids won't just keep quiet. So we fixed the handle. If we want to take it like a handbag, we just tie the handle just like this, and we have a very long strap. Tie it to the length or the length you want it, and then cut off the extra parts. And just wow, the bag is just ready. Can you see it? Look at the beautiful piece I attached to the front. Just made it more beautiful. Can you see that? Thank you for watching once again. Join me next week